Hi guys, it's me again, Randy. Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do some experimenting. I bought one of these drain thingies. Normally it's to collect debris before it goes down the drain. And I thought it would be fun to pour a ring pour on it. But I also wanted to do like this. I'm not sure how to call it, but I just took one of my cups, cut the bottom out because this part will fit in here like so, and I thought I'd just make some cutouts. Maybe there are too many, but you know, let's try it. Just looks like a little crown. And I place it on top, and I'm gonna place it in the middle. So I marked my canvas. It should be center. Place this one on top. I'm just hoping that it will stay in place. So I made some colors. I made a white, yellow, magenta and a blue, and I'm gonna just put them in my cup. So I'm gonna make it a little bit pointy. And let's go for it. Okay. Here's the inside of the cup. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna first try and take off this part. Ooh. Then I'm gonna try and pick this one up. Okay. And I might spin it a little bit. Well, let's leave it to dry and see how it ends up. I think it's a bit muddy. That might be because my paints were a little bit thinner than normal for these kind of pours, and because it went through the holes. But that's why we experiment. So maybe next time I'll just use this part or just use this part. I never know. This time I made a combination and it might have been a little bit too much. I do like all the tiny cells. Normally I like the bigger cells, but I think these tinier ones look nice on this one. So thank you for experimenting together, and see you in the next one. Bye!